Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about iOS 17.3, what it's like so far, and also, and Happy New Year. Thank you guys for continuing coming back to the channel. I appreciate very much the love and support. You guys are absolutely amazing. So let's dive right in to what's new. So let's dive right in to everything related to Apple this week and what's been happening with the Apple Watch currently. Well, the Series 9 and the Ultra 2 are still available online till January 15th. With everything going on with that situation, they are still selling them online and in store. So Apple did have that issue where they did take it off the website during the legal thing going on, and now it's back on sale on their website. So it looks like next year, if you use any of Amazon Prime video services starting next month, unless you pay more, they will start showing ads in their Prime Video service. So it looks like it's going to cost a little bit more, just $2.99. I mean, there's not really a point to pay more. Might as well just increase the monthly cost of it, like we've seen with Disney Plus, Apple TV, and many more. So, according to Mac Rumors, and I'll link it down below, Apple is planning on opening new retail stores in Los Angeles, Toronto, Atlanta. Next year, it looks like we're going to be seeing, hopefully pretty soon, AirPlay in many hotels and other Airbnbs where you can actually stream your content from your phone to the TV. We're going to be seeing a lot of security features for that because transferring to different TVs or having access to them causes concerns to many users. Apple has now announced RCS support will be added to iMessage in next year. So we'll be seeing that new feature pretty soon. And it looks like Apple is slowly releasing Apple CarPlay interfaces to many other car brands such as Aston Martin, Porsches, and many others. So we'll be seeing a lot of previews and a lot of screenshots about the new interface. Also, Apple will be rolling out emergency SOS roadside assistance to new countries in 2024. We've been seeing it across the US, but not anywhere else around the world. We've also been waiting for iOS 17 should bring major updates and hopefully some sort of redesign to the OS. So a big new thing, hopefully Apple does introduce a new menu system, a new menu animation, such as we've seen where the action button shows this very cool animation when you go between the different settings. So hopefully Apple brings this new integration and animation to many other settings across the app. So it looks like Apple will be updating Siri with more better AI features. So the AI integrated with Siri, hopefully it's much faster, smarter, responds quicker as well, and it doesn't have to go up to the Apple servers. It'll do it locally on device, which is a very smart move. So hopefully we'll see what Apple does just to compete with the many other assistants as ChatGPT, Google Assistant, and many others. So when we expect the next beta, we're not sure exactly. Normally it does take a while for them to release a new beta, maybe the second week of January. So the next beta, we might be expecting it next year, maybe around the 8th or 9th in January. Currently, so far, the performance has been amazing. Great battery life, great connectivity with Wi-Fi, 5G, and everything else. If you've been having Wi-Fi issue connectivities, you could always reset your Wi-Fi settings by going into Settings, General, and then if we go down to Transfer Reset, where it says Reset Network Settings, basically what that does, it's going to wipe every Wi-Fi network that you've connected with a password. So it's going to wipe that out completely. But typically, looks like that has helped many people solve their Wi-Fi problem. So we're still having a little bit of bug issues with the notifications. So there's a little bit of a glitch. There we go. So we're still having that bug issue problem at the moment. Apple, hopefully they will fix it on the next update. Also, we're still having that problem with the wallpaper glitch. So if we clear out my notifications here, hopefully I can show you on camera. So it's very bright there. Nice swipe. Let's do that again. Brighten up the screen a little bit. Let's see if it does that. Just a little. It dims just a little bit from the background. So hopefully that does show on camera, but I've been seeing that glitch happen almost every time that I unlock my phone. So a lot of people have been reporting that AirDrop hasn't been working properly with other devices with 17.3. So when you share a photo, share a document, it's not connecting properly when you just tap on to the other phone. It's not transferring the data over. Also, when I transfer things from my iPhone to my laptop, it's also taking a very long time to even find the laptop or even transfer just 10 photos or just a web page. It's not sending it right away like it should. So performance and heat wise of the phone, amazing performance so far. I haven't seen any lag or I haven't seen any buffering between different apps and everything, going between different pages, bringing this down and going between other web pages. It's doing a phenomenal job so far. Like I said, it hasn't had any problems or glitches or any buffer between swiping back and forth from the lock screen besides that wallpaper glitch, but it's doing such a good job. Performance wise, the battery has lasted all day for me. So I haven't had any complaints from the battery life. But if you have had any battery drainage or anything that you might have noticed, please let me know down in the comments down below. Also, I haven't noticed the phone getting hot at all during my usage throughout the day. If I'm playing any video games or taking photos or videos, there's not been a moment where I've felt it getting pretty warm. So let's talk about battery life currently. So let's go to settings. Let's go to general about. Let's go down to our cycles real quick. So I currently have 102 charging cycles of this phone. If we go back, battery health and charging, I'm still at 100%. A lot of people have been saying on X that they've seen it go down to 99% and not even a year in. So should you update and install iOS 17.3 beta 1 or 17.2.1? I would wait on 17.3 beta 1 and wait till beta 2 when it comes out. There's a little bugs and glitches here on this one, even though the performance and battery life have been amazing so far. I would say just skip this one and wait till beta 2. 17.2.1 has been pretty good so far for a lot of users that I've been told about. Well, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys did like it, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet already. Hopefully this video did help you decide whether or not to download and install 17.3 beta 1 and helped you see what bugs and other glitches currently with this update. If you guys haven't yet already, hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet already. And I hope you guys have a wonderful new year. See you in the next video. Peace.